I'd say the number one way to get more matches on dating apps is to stand out. I think what happens a lot of times on dating apps is everyone's always looking to fit this certain mold, put themselves in a box. And in my experience, you having something unique about you is a great way to stand out. So things that I always go for is I like to start top to bottom, starting primarily with the photos. Right? I'd say there's 4 photos every dating profile needs to have. One, some type of hero shot, clear picture of your face. Two, some type of group shot showing people like, yes, I have friends. I'm not going to put you in the back of my car randomly. Three, some type of activity. Ideally, I'd say an activity you're passionate about. So if you're a painter, maybe it's a picture of you at an art gallery. If you are an outdoorsy person, maybe it's you on a hike. And I'd say the fourth picture should always be something a little bit less serious. So either you laughing, you having dinner, maybe a B-roll type of blooper situation. And then moving on from the pictures, going into your actual bio. I think the most important thing in the bio is just being clear, direct, and upfront about what your expectations are and what the person can expect from you. So I always tell people your first line, rather than starting with the hi, my name is X, I do YZ things. I don't say just ask a question right in the beginning, something bold, energetic, something that really gives the person who swipes across you a reason to really stop and think and be like, is this someone I'd actually be curious about having a conversation with? And usually, if you can get them to want to have a conversation with you, it's pretty easy to get the match going. And just a matter of you getting into a good flow in the conversation.